I'm Chie and welcome to my channel. Today we're heading to Porto, Portugal to paint one of its most iconic streets, Avenida dos Aliados, and capture the elegant Art Nouveau details of its west front buildings in ink and watercolor. If you enjoy painting architecture, European cityscapes, or just love Art Nouveau, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel-inspired ink and watercolor art. As usual, I started with a light pencil sketch, keeping my line loose to capture the main structures and the relevant perspective lines. Once I'm happy with the positioning of these structures, I move on to drawing with ink. Using a dip pen, I then proceed to outline the major architectural shapes before moving into the details such as the decorative motifs and the rhythmic repetition of the facade. Art Nouveau buildings often combine structures and ornaments, so I kept my stroke fluid and expressive, echoing that sense of design harmony. Avenida dos Aliados, the Avenue of Allies, was built in the early 20th century as part of Porto's grand urban expansion. It was designed to connect the city's old medieval heart with a new civic center symbolizing modern progress and unity. The avenue is lined with monumental buildings designed by architects Barry Parker and Marques da Silva, blending Beaux-Arts, Art Deco, and Art Nouveau influences. Once the ink is totally dried, I rub off the previous pencil lines and started on watercolor wash. I started with a warm sunlit wash for the building with yellow ochre. Then I dropped in cool grays and blues for the shadows. When painting architecture in color, I like to think in layers by starting light and transparent, then slowly deepening shadows to add depth. To capture the late evening atmosphere, I use cadmium orange to wash the sky in a warm glowing sunset hue. And here's the finished piece, the Avenida dos Aliados in ink and watercolor, celebrating the Art Nouveau beauty of Porto's architecture. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe for more architectural sketches. Let me know in the comments as to which city should I paint next. Thank you for watching today, and I will see you in the next video.